Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Canva templates to produce YouTube thumbnails faster, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Canva templates for YouTube thumbnails, start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Canva website. Log into your Canva account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, use the search bar to find YouTube thumbnail templates. Browse through the available templates and select one that fits your style. Click on the template to open it in the Canva editor. You can now customize the template to fit your needs. Replace the text with your video title and any other relevant information. Adjust the fonts, colors, and images as needed to match your branding. If you want to add your logo, upload it by clicking on the Uploads tab on the left sidebar. Drag and drop your logo onto the template. Resize and position it as desired. Once you're satisfied with your design, click the download button in the top right corner. Choose the file type you prefer, such as PNG or JPG. Then click download to save the thumbnail to your computer. Open your YouTube Studio to upload the thumbnail. Select the video you want to add the thumbnail to. In the video details, click on the option to upload a custom thumbnail. Choose the thumbnail file you downloaded from Canva. Finally, click Save to apply your new thumbnail to the video. And that's it. You have successfully installed a Canva template to create an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.